Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast oven full guide. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and prepare a custard of eggs, milk, vanilla, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Dip 1-inch slices of sturdy bread briefly, then arrange on a greased baking sheet or a baking dish in a single layer. Bake until golden and set, flipping if needed for even browning, then serve warm with toppings of choice. For a reliable custard, whisk together eggs and milk until fully combined, then add vanilla and cinnamon for depth. Use day-old or slightly toasted bread cut into 1-inch slices to absorb custard without falling apart. Soak each slice briefly and allow excess to drip before placing on the tray. Bake at 375 degrees F, watching edges for golden color, and adjust time slightly for thicker slices to ensure a soft, custardy interior. If you are enjoying this guide, please like and subscribe to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control, which keeps your kitchen spotless so you can focus on baking. It pairs nicely with busy mornings and cleanup after brunch. Check the description for the link and other deals to learn more, and now let's get back to the video. Bake the soaked bread at 375 degrees F in a preheated oven until the centers are set and the tops are golden brown, typically 18 to 25 minutes depending on thickness. Rotate the pan halfway through for even color and use a knife to test for custard set. Let the pan cool briefly to help slices hold their shape, then plate with syrup, fresh fruit, powdered sugar, or a light cream, and enjoy warm with family or guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.